Can't make good chicken noodle soup without good homemade chicken stock. Fortunately, I had 2 quarts in the freezer. So I'm gonna heat that up. I'm gonna put in 1 cup of chopped carrots right into the chicken stock. 1 cup of chopped celery. And 2 cups of noodles. I just use regular egg noodles. You can probably use any kind of pasta, but this chicken noodle soup has to be egg noodles. 2 cups, right in. Give it a big stir. This is gonna cook for about 10 minutes. And actually it's nice because the starch in the noodles is gonna get into the soup. It gives it a little body, which is great. And then I need to add chicken. And I just cook the chicken exactly the way I usually do. I take 2 chicken breasts, bone in, skin on, put them on a sheet pan, rub them with olive oil, sprinkle with lots of salt and pepper, and roast them at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. I mean, that's it. So I'm just gonna take the skin off, and then with a knife, just cut around the bone. So all I really want is the meat. You can really just peel it off with your hands if you want to. And because you're gonna dice it or shred it, it doesn't really matter what it looks like. You just need large pieces of chicken. It's amazing how the olive oil and the skin and the seasoning really gets into the chicken, and it keeps it absolutely delicious. So much more flavorful than boiling it, which I think takes all the flavor out of the chicken. And you can either shred it like this or you can dice it, but this time I feel like dicing it. So just nice big bite-sized pieces. This looks so wonderful. It's so moist this way. And that's what I want from Miguel's chicken noodle soup. You can use dark meat for this, but it's sort of more traditional to use white meat. Big dice. Perfect. Okay, let's see how the soup is doing. It's just 10 minutes. It smells fantastic. Oh, how good does that look? Wow. Okay, chicken in, little parsley, and it's almost done. So if you've got chicken stock in the refrigerator or the freezer, this is really fast to do. 1/4 cup of parsley. It's always good to have a fresh herb in there. Just really brings out the flavor. Makes the whole thing taste really fresh. You can do dill if you like dill, whatever you have around. Nothing too strong though, not rosemary. Into the pot. This is a really good chicken noodle soup. So depending on how salty or peppery the stock is, I'm gonna add some more seasoning, but first I have to taste it. This is a tough job. Oh, it's so good. It's got so much chicken flavor. It needs a little more salt. The strange thing about chicken soup is it can taste like dirty dishwater, or it can taste like really delicious chicken soup, and salt is the only ingredient that's different. Okay, one more taste. That is so delicious.